Hi friends, I'm now going to show you how to make replace how to use the option replace in case of MS Window Notepad. I have written something and selecting the whole text, copying it, and then making a content, copying pasting it to make a huge content, and after that I am writing my name Tamal in this document. Okay, so I want to make a replace of this. Click on edit, come to replace. In the find what option, write your name, write the thing that you want to search or you're looking for, and in the replace with text box, write the name or the word or the text you want to replace with. Click on replace all. See, get changed from Tamal to Rahul. So this is the video and this is for all. If you like this video, please come to our website ttweb.in. Works on banners and flex and posters. Also provide basic computer course on government register certificate on basic computer course, and also provide tuitions on C++, Java, VB, SQL, all these things, and also sell dry fruits. And email is dastomal6@gmail.com and call number is 8420879158. Thank you.